I'm Toni O'Connor, and I've just spent the past 3 weeks at Sampoorna doing my 200-hour yoga teacher training. It's been a really good experience. I've met such amazing friends here. We just gelled into a group and it's been great. The teachers have made it amazing. So you learn, there's so much to learn, but the way the teachers are, how funny they are, and they're really warm and welcoming, that makes everything a lot easier, and you can always ask questions, you don't feel silly at all. I absolutely adore the teachers. Sadir is a fountain of knowledge. He knows everything about anything. The food's really good. My house is lovely. It was nice having my own space and stuff. The beach is just down the road to hang out on your lunch break, and the whole area's just been really nice. Everyone helps you out if you don't know where to go, and it's just a really nice little community. Sampoorna.